people!
Kimora's Adventures. Hey, I'm Kimora, and I learned something very important yesterday. Let's take a look at yesterday's lesson.
Kimora had been saving her allowance for many weeks. Every time she put money in her piggy bank, it grew a little bit fuller. One day, after counting her savings, Kimora started to think about what she could do with her money. Wow, I've saved a lot! What should I do with it? Kimora happily asked her mom. Kimora's mom told her that it's good to have different goals for her savings. She said that while it's okay to save for small things, like a new toy, it's also important to think about saving for the future or putting money into things that could grow bigger over time. Kimora curiously asked, "Grow bigger? How?" Kimora's mom explained that when people invest, they put their money into something that could become more valuable as time goes by. She told Kimora that people can invest in different things, like special digital pictures called NFTs. Kimora was very interested. She asked, "What's an NFT?" NFTs are unique digital items that people can buy and sell. Just like how some toys or cards can become more special and valuable over time, NFTs can too. Some people invest in parts of companies or in art and other collectibles, like NFTs. Kimora was excited to learn more about investing in NFTs. Her mom suggested they explore together and make a plan for Kimora's savings. Kimora was so happy. "Yes, let's do that! I want to be smart with my money and watch it grow." Kimora's mom was very proud of her for wanting to learn about taking care of her money. She told Kimora that the choices she makes with her money now can make a big difference when she gets older. Kimora's mom felt great. "I'm so happy you want to learn about managing your money, Kimora. It's always a good time to start." Kimora felt happy and excited. She spent the rest of the day learning about saving, investing, and the cool world of NFTs with her mom's help. She learned that by being smart with her money and always wanting to learn more, she could make her piggy bank grow and have more choices in the future.
Wow, I sure learned a valuable lesson yesterday. What did you learn? Let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to follow along with all my adventures. Bye!